Hello everyone, this is Cordless and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Do you still remember my last weekend gardening project at home using a cordless lawn mower, WORX WG163e.1? Yeah? There was a little bit of difficulties when it comes to the sides, edges and also corners, which I intend to perfect it by using a trimmer. So this is WORX WG163e.1 20-volt lithium ion cordless trimmer and edger. Let's unbox it. This is WORX WA3760 battery charger. And this is WORX WA3551 20-volt power module 2.0 ampere hour. For battery indicator, press the red button. Low battery. To charge the battery, slide the battery pack into the charger until you hear the sound click. Green flashing means the battery is charging. Green on means the battery is fully charged. To remove the battery, press on the release button. This is the flower guard. Adjust it. Next, I'm going to show you how to install the safety guard. You need a screwdriver, slot the safety guard in, and screw it back. Next, I'm going to show you how to connect this edger wheel. And you can also remove it by pressing the button here. This is the rear handle, lock off button and on off switch. For safety feature, you need to hold on the lock off button before you can press the switch. This is the auxiliary handle. Press on the handle unlock button so that you can adjust the handle according to your requirement. This is the upper shaft and this is the lower shaft. Open the locking collar and adjust the length according to your height and suitability. This is the line cutter and this is the line fit button. Hi, I think I've just completed the setting up. This is WORX WG163e.1 20 volt lithium ion cordless grass trimmer and ager with a no load speed of 7,600 per minute, cutting diameter of 12 inches or 30 centimeter, line diameter of 1.65 mm, charging time 5 hours, machine weight of 2.4 kilo and 12 months limited warranty. I can't wait to try out this machine for tomorrow's my weekend gardening project at home. So I'll see you